Hello everyone, myself Nivedita Bose from Easy Electrical, your GEOS faculty for Rapid Revision series. Today is the 4th of October 2021. Today we will deal with the subject Indian polity and economy. Before that, I would like to give you a brief introduction about our paid course SSC JEE 2021, which includes concept-based classes on technical and non-technical portion, plus practice problems, month-wise test and notes. What we specialize is in that we provide you with classroom recordings free for lifetime, which is otherwise chargeable in other institutions. Now coming to today's topic. Here the first question is, the term of the office of the Vice President is as follows. Here the options are 6 years, 7 years, 4 years and 5 years. Please pause the video and try yourself. The answer is generally the term of office 5 years for many posts. Only for the Rajya Sabha the term of the office can be 6 years. Only for Rajya Sabha members. Now coming to the next question. The Vice President is the ex officio chairman of, options are Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, Planning Commission and National Development Council. Our parliament has two cells, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Every cell has a leader who conduct the Sabha. So here the Vice President is the ex officio chairman, means he leads the Rajya Sabha. Here the correct option is Rajya Sabha. Now coming to the next question. Which article deals with the impeachment of president? This impeachment is a procedure of removing. Here the options are Article 65, Article 62, Article 64 and Article 61. You obviously can try yourself, then see the answer. Here the option is Article 61. This is the correct answer. Now coming to the next question. How many numbers of members are nominated by the President to the Rajya Sabha? Friends, you must know that Rajya Sabha contains 250 members. Here 238 are elected from and 12 are nominated by the President. So the answer is option C, 12. Now coming to the next question. Lok Sabha Speaker take the oath of the office from Prime Minister, President, Chief Justice of Supreme Court and none of the above. Here the correct options is President and in his absence the Vice President. But in general the options are President is correct. Now coming to the next question. Here the economy parts begins. Gold is mainly related to local market, national market, international market and regional market. We have a classroom recording where we explain the market conception. Here the only answer we are given, that is international market. Now coming to the next question. SENVAT. CENVAT. CENVAT. What is the full form of CENVAT? CENVAT means Central Value Added Tax. Central Value Added Tax. CENVAT is related to which of the following? Options are sales tax, excise duty, custom duty, and service tax. You try yourself, then see the answer. Here the correct options are. Correct option is custom duty. Now coming to the next question. Regional Rural Bank (RRB) are sponsored by Nationalized Commercial Bank, RBI, SBI, State Bank of India, and Government of India. Here the correct answer is National Commercial Bank. Many other banks also sponsored by RBI, but here it is the quite different matter. It is sponsored by nationalized commercial banks. Fiscal policy. Fiscal policy in India is formulated by the first options is RBI, then Planning Commission, then Finance Commission, and SEBI. Now friends, see, by fiscal policy, a government adjusts its spending level and tax rate to monitor and influence the nation's economy. So here fiscal policy formulated by the correct options is Finance Commission. Now coming to the last question of today. The 1 rupee note bears the sign of. It is a very much frequently asked in the SSC. First option is Governor of RBI, Finance Minister, Secretary of Ministry of Finance, and none of these. Sometimes the name of them also be given. So here the correct option is Secretary. Only 1 rupee note bears the signature of Secretary of Ministry of Finance, and the other remaining notes bears the signature of Government of RBI. This is for today. Thank you everyone for staying up to this point. If you have any doubts, send us a message at 8335067725 or mail us at electricaleasy@gmail.com. Thank you.